Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to take your presentations up a notch by turning them into engaging videos, with your face right there in a stylish circle frame, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to turn any presentation into a video using Canva, complete with a circle facecam effect. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create slick, professional video presentations that look fantastic and really grab your audience's attention. Let's get started and dive right in. So first things first, head over to Canva. If you've never used Canva before, don't worry, it's super user-friendly and you can sign up for free. Once you're there, you'll see a button up at the top that says Create. Go ahead and click that. This is where Canva helps you choose what kind of project you want to work on. Since we're making a video presentation, you'll want to select Presentation from the options. This setup ensures that your slides are in the right format, making them easy to transform into a video later. Next, you'll be presented with a whole library of templates. This is one of the ways Canva saves you tons of time and gets you inspired. Pick a template that matches the style or mood you want for your presentation. Don't worry if you're not 100% sure right now. You can always tweak the colors and fonts later. Templates are a huge time saver, especially if you're not a graphic designer, and they keep your presentation looking cohesive and professional. Now comes the fun part. Adding a circle frame for your facecam. On the Canva sidebar, look for the Elements tab, then search for Circle Frame. Frames in Canva are these clever placeholders that let you easily drop photos or videos into fun shapes. Go ahead and drag the circle frame onto your slide and adjust it to the size and position you want. Placing the frame in one of the corners is a good move because it keeps your facecam visible but not in the way of your main content. Alright, now it's time to get yourself into the presentation. You have a couple of options here. If you want to record yourself narrating, find the Uploads tab on the sidebar and select Record Yourself. Canva will activate your webcam and let you record a short video. Once you're done, just drag your recorded video right into the circle frame. This instantly gives you that polished, facecam look that you see in professional presentation videos. And if recording yourself feels a bit daunting, take your time, maybe do a quick practice run first. Remember, videos in Canva aren't live, you have a chance to retake as many times as you need. If you want to try something different, let's say you're just experimenting or want to use a stock video instead, head back to the Elements tab and search for a sample video, like someone talking or presenting. Once you find one you like, simply drag that video into your circle frame. This is a handy trick if you're creating a demo or just want to fill out your draft without jumping on camera right away. Once your facecam video or demo video is in place, you can adjust the slide content, add more slides, and even animate elements to keep things lively. And really, that's all there is to it. You've turned an ordinary presentation into a dynamic video with a professional circle facecam, ready to share on YouTube, send to clients, or jazz up your next team meeting. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you have any questions or maybe want to share your own video presentation creations, drop a comment below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy, creative tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.